Hello everyone, this is a lesson on limits. I'm going to show you how you determine the value of a limit. I'm going to use 3 examples. The first example, number 1, it's limit as h tends to 2 and your function is 2h plus 3. Now when you look at this function, it doesn't have a denominator. So what you do, you just take the 2 and plug it in and substitute. Where there is h, you substitute 2. So you're gonna say equals to, when you substitute 2, you don't write the limit. Then you're gonna say 2 times 2 plus 3. You don't have to write that bracket. Didn't have to write that. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3, 7. That's how you determine the limit. Let's look at the second one. The second example, it says limit as h tends to 0, our function 2h squared 5h divided by h. Now you see, if you put 0 here, this will be undefined. So when you have the denominator, you must start by taking out a common factor and cancel. So we're going to have equals to, because we are not substituting with the we're not substituting h for 0 in the function, we still need to write the limit. H tends to 0. On our denominator, we have a common factor of h. So we'll be left with 2h plus 5 divided by h. So the h will cancel the h. Then what will be left will be limit as h tends to 0. Then I have 2h plus 5. Now I'm going to substitute 0 in the function. When I substitute 0, I don't write the limit anymore. So I'm going to have 2 times 0 plus 5, which is equals to 5. This is how you determine the limit. Let's look at the third example. Now with our third example, we see it's our limit as h tends to minus 2. So if I put a minus 2 here, I'll get a 0 in the denominator. So I need to factorize first. So it's limit as h tends to 0. Now this is a trinomial. I'll have 2 brackets. I'll have my h here, my h here. 2 things that I multiply and they give me 5. It's 3 and 2. And because it's plus plus, they're going to be plus all of them. H plus 2. So you do see this bracket will cancel that out. So I'll be left with limit as h tends to 0. No, it's not 0. H tends to minus 2. H tends to minus 2. Then I have h plus 3. Now I'm going to substitute the minus 2 there. I don't write the limit anymore. So I'll have minus 2 plus 3. My answer will be 1. So this is how you determine the limit. It's something that's very easy. Thank you for watching. This is the end of our lesson.